I found out something 2 days ago that so YouTube can be shadow banned. I never knew that YouTube can be shadow banned. Your account can be shadow banned or your channel can be shadow banned and you will not even know or you are not even aware. Like the one I was aware about is TikTok and maybe Instagram. But I never knew that YouTube you can be shadow banned, that your channel will be having problem and you would not know, because sometimes you'll be posting consistently, you are getting 4 views. Now YouTube, I dey see 4 views, 2 views, and you know it's not easy to create content on YouTube. You do your thumbnail, you will edit, and you will start having 4 views in a month. When I saw this information from a YouTuber, N with Ineka, this lady here, I was like, all these people, most times they are just saying all this thing for views and clickbait and all that is not authentic. So I just said, let me just watch the video. And voila, I said, okay, let me try it. And I saw that my account, this account is shadow banned. And because you'll be wondering that you are doing a lot of good content or giving information and you see that you're not getting the views. So I'm talking to all these struggling YouTubers that you have been putting in your best. I want to tell you something. There is this site that you need to go and check if your account is shadow banned or not, and it is safe. There is no need to be afraid of anything. See, let me tell you something. If you have not been frustrated on YouTube, because YouTube is the highest paying platform. I used to tell people a lot, YouTube is the highest paying platform. So if you are putting in your best and you don't even know that your account is shadow banned, then you are doing yourself a lot of big problem, because you need to go and check it. It won't take anything from you. You need to go and check it and see. Why I'm doing this video is just to concur, it's just to say, oh, this is not a clickbait, or this thing that they are saying, it is actually true, because it happened to me and I'm tested and trusted. So I don't know how I'm going to put it. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys to come and see it. And if up to now you have not followed me and you want to get this information, is it good? Is it good? Because me, I followed the maker, so you must follow me too, because it's not fair if you hear this information and it help you and you're not following me. Jokes apart, click on the subscribe button if you have not done so. So let me take you to my YouTube studio so you'll be able to see for yourself, and you also try it and see for yourself, so that you will know if your account is good or not. What I like about that site, after they are giving you your results, they are also going to give you recommendation, tell you what you need to do that will boost your channel back. Yes, without being much said, let me take you to my YouTube studio so you could see the magic for yourself. Let's ride in. So you are going to go to Chrome or any browser of your choice. So let's go to Chrome. So go to Chrome. You go to Chrome, you click on Tube Pilots, Shadowbanned.com. This first one here, this one that you see, this YouTube pilots like this, you are going to click on it. So you just click on it and it's going to tell you YouTube Shadowban Checker. And this site is very legit. It's safe. There is no any mago or has any effect on your channel and all that. It's just to help you to see whether your channel is good or not. So now you see enter channel URL. So you go to your YouTube channel or your YouTube, you go to your channel. So let's go there. So I'm going to my YouTube now. So I'm going to my YouTube channel now. So I'll click this. So you must get to the page here. So this is it. You see this 3 dots line here. Then you click on it. You click share. When you click share, you say copy link. When you copy the link, it take you back to you put your link here. When you put your link, say check the Shadowban. Then you click on it to keep analyzing and every other thing. You keep going like this and check, and you see it, critical risk. Imagine 80/100, and now you are posting consistently and your video is not moving because you don't know that your channel is like this, and you don't, so you keep putting much effort and everything. And what I like about this site is going to give you recommendation. It will tell you everything about your channel, then you give you recommendation.
Now review recent content. Check if your recent video is violated. It's going to give you, check if there's copyright claim. That's why I say this site is legit, because now I've gotten violation on my channel. I've been demonetized on this channel, so you can see all these things. So it's going to tell you one or two things that is accurate, and you keep doing it, your channel will get back and all that. I'm going to test my other channel, so I'm going to put the URL. I'm not going to show you the name of the channel. I'm just going to test it to see if that one has a problem or not. Do you understand? So let's go back. So I've input the second channel, and it's loading and loading and loading and loading. Now this second channel told me no risk, 0/100. That means my channel is good to go, and it's telling me this. So let's see the recommendation now. You said maintain consistency. That means I should be more consistent for more discovery and every other thing. Optimize metadata, promote your video through other platforms. So it's just telling you things that you are going to do. That's what I love about it, and it's legit. So don't waste your time and saying, let me keep posting and posting and posting. What are you posting and posting if you don't know? It's better you know what is wrong with your channel and find a solution. Now my channel is at risk, the one that I'm using to talk to you now. So there's going to be a strategy that I'm going to use to get back my channel to be okay. Do you understand? So don't just keep doing something and you don't know if you are doing it right or wrong. This platform is here to help you, and it's legit. So don't waste your time. Go and do it now, and put the score under the comment so that other people will see that it's legit, and make other people to do the same thing. So you have seen my score now. From my other channel I had 80/100, which is too bad, very bad. It has risk. The second one is 0. That means it's good. There is nothing bad about it. So you can test like 4 or 5 other channels to see it. So if up to this moment again you have not subscribed, okay, please do click on the subscribe button. See you in my next video. I remain Vibe with Deborah, always giving you juicy video on how to grow your YouTube channel or how to scale through on your YouTube channel. Bye.